Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing another Temu video, and oh my god, I cannot believe you loved the first one so much. And let me just say, I am truly addicted to Temu. Just last night I spent a good 2 hours just scrolling and ordering stuff, and I just can't help myself. Like, they're real good. So if you haven't watched my first video, you've never heard of Temu, that's a great place to start. But this is going to be a huge haul. I have good things, I have some fails unfortunately, and at the very end I'm going to talk about my experience so far. I've placed like 4 orders in the past month. I've already received 2 of them. I placed like another one last night, so it hasn't even been that long, and I'm thoroughly impressed. And if you haven't downloaded the app or you don't know what to do, I think I have an affiliate code that I'll leave below, and that gets you like a ton of coupons and 30% off your first order. It's like a ton of great things about Temu, so I could go on and on, but let me show you what I got. Okay, let's unbox everything. This was giving me all the Hermes vibes for way less. I think this little scarf was like $2. Comes in a lot of different color combinations, and then this little horse, I thought it was so cute. I got a bag this exact color, so I thought it would be a good matching keychain. I thought this was so cute. I've been seeing it over on TikTok actually, and these were like $4, and I love them. I think they're very cute, very soft. Yeah, I think this would be good for actually Olivia's stuff to go in my bag or something, or for travel. They do have a lot of different prints, but I really like this colorful one. I've had these exact socks in my Amazon Save for Later for months, if not years, and I've never bought them for some reason. I don't know why, but when I saw them for $7, I immediately added them to cart. They're so cool. I love the neutral tones, and they feel nice and thick, and like they're gonna last. I got some more of these little forks and like food picks for Olivia. It's the only way she eats sometimes, and it's a huge help when you have a picky toddler. I thought this was the coolest thing. I actually wanted it when I first discovered Temu, but it was sold out. I almost bought the pink, which I think is like cooler, but I think I'm gonna use this a little more. It's like just a coaster for your drink, but I think it's fun. I don't know, it was like $5. I cannot believe I got this for literally $5. You know exactly what this reminds me of, and they do have different colors, but y'all, this is crazy. This was so affordable. Yeah, look how perfect this is for travel. It even comes with like a hanging thing and like little slots and zippers. This is gonna be perfect for either shampoos, conditioners, like hair stuff, or makeup. I love it. Oh my god, I cannot. I mean, I have a you know what bag from the Gate, and it literally feels the exact same, which is insane. Here's another toiletry bag. This one is one of those that open up. That way you can see all your makeup, but it saves room. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's closed. However, this looked a little more beigey than just like plain white. Once again, you know what this reminds me of. Let me close it and show you what it looks like. It gets kind of like half its size, which is convenient when you're traveling and you want to save room. So I do have different prints and more solid colors, but I think this one's cute, even though it's not what I was expecting. This is so funny. I was not thinking this was going to be this big, but this is to clean your microwave. I think you put vinegar in here and it helps clean your microwave or remove stains, but it's way bigger than I was expecting. It's so funny. I've had it in my Amazon Save for Later as well. I think on Amazon it's like $10. On Temu it's like $3. So I got this pack of little tabs for books. I wanted to have that. Oh my god, y'all, I was not expecting this to be as cute and as nice as it is. I mean, I've gotten gold hardware that's more brassy on the H8 for like $100, and this was $16. They have more neutral ones, but I wanted to get a fun one. I don't have any baby blue bags. It has the pink and the green in the back, and then on the top, this is nice. Like, I am shocked at the price point. I decided to give their jewelry a try just because I'm skeptical, y'all. Everything was like $1 or $2. I got this gold ring that I'm definitely keeping. It's stunning, and then I want a travel engagement ring set, but this one is not my favorite. It looks a little cheap, and I ordered a few more, so I'm gonna return this one. Then I got these little earrings. I don't have a lot of faith that they won't irritate my ears since they were literally $2, but let's try them on. I really hope they work out. I'm gonna wear them all day today, and I will let you guys know. This cup is cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. It's glass and it was $4, but it's a weird shape for a cup. And this I got for our powder room. It is a different material than I was expecting. It's pretty cheap, but our powder room is kind of like vintagey and feminine and cute, so I thought this would go. It's a tissue box holder. I don't know if I said that. We'll see if I keep it, but I think it would look cute. It's a little tacky looking, which is what I'm concerned about, and it's plastic. I don't know what I was expecting for $11, but it's definitely plastic. Okay, this might be the craziest one. Once again, not exact, just similar. And I'm the D word, not the R word, if that makes any sense. You still get that look for way less. I literally almost spent $100 on the DHK version of this. Not exact, so it's a little different, but you get the look. Super inexpensive, so I'm actually so happy with it. I think this is gonna be a return. This is an ornament. It didn't even come with a string tied to it, which is so lame. It looks 3D, but it's just completely flat. I don't know, it's not my favorite, so on my return. Here's another one of those scarves, but this one is a full-size one. It's like a huge square. You can wear this on your head or as an accessory, like an actual scarf, or you can tie it to a bag, which is probably what I'll do. It's really cute. I was not expecting it to be this like creamy color with the brown. I thought it was going to be either black or like a darker tone. Still super cute. I actually really like it. Then I got this for my Stanley cup. It's just a silicone thing, so it doesn't make a noise when it hits a table or any surface. This is for my mom. She asked for it. It was $6 cheaper on TEMU than on Amazon, so I got it there. And then this is another coaster. I thought this was cute. Anthropologie sells them too. This was like $4. It's just like a rug for your drink. Isn't that cute? And then this is a caulk removing tool. It's like $1. Then another phone case. Look how pretty. I like the texture. It's ribbed. No comment on this one. I mean, if you know, you know. I am shocked. Is it the best quality? Maybe not. Was it $14? Yes, it was. It's a pretty good size. I would say this is probably the small, but it has two different handles, the shorter ones and then the longer straps and a zipper, which is always nice. I wanted to get this green color because I've been wanting the DHK version for a while. Not exact though, not exact. And then these I've bought from Amazon before. I think on Amazon they used to be like 50 bucks. I got it for like 11. And this is a bigger version. Let me open it. Look at that. These always remind me so much of my grandma. I got it in navy just because I wanted something dark. I love these because you can wipe them. They're waterproof for the most part and they're so nice to have. $11, y'all, or maybe less. Maybe this was like $8. Olivia actually loves little nail stickers, so I decided to purchase more in a different order, but these I got for myself, even though they are pretty big. So I don't know, I might have to cut them, but these were like 50 cents. I also got one of these pumps. I love when skincare comes in these pumps, especially liquids, and I get to take my micellar water traveling with me now. I never take it because it's so inconvenient, but now I have the perfect container. And lastly, I believe is this little draining basket for your sink. That way you can put all like the food scraps in there and then you can remove it, throw it away. I'm gonna have my husband install it and I'll let you guys know how it works out. Okay, so real quick, after a few weeks of ordering from Temu, receiving more stuff, have many thoughts. Number one, Temu compared to something like AliExpress, DHgate, Alibaba, etc. focuses way less on wholesale items like buying bulk rather than just buying one or two pieces, which I personally think it's great because you're still getting that kind of wholesale value and the price point, but you're not going to have to buy 20 of one item to receive that price. You know what I mean? I think it's super convenient. You can find a lot of like smaller items that are on Amazon for a higher markup for way less, which is great. Here's the thing though, when I made the very first video, I had no idea how easy and like painless the return process was, because I was so used to DHgate returns being a pain in the butt, taking forever and just not being worth it, to be honest. But now I'm like, returns are free and they just send you a label just like Amazon does. You can do USPS or UPS. I just think it's incredible. If your item goes down in price after you purchased it, they will refund you that money. I've never heard of a company doing that in my life. And it's not that you have to reach out to customer service or talk to someone. No. They have like a little thing on the orders page where you can just click it. It automatically looks at everything and it refunds it back to your account. Honestly, shook. Lastly, it's not a positive. My husband and I noticed that they have this like page where you can win stuff. And how it works essentially is like they have all these scammy little games. And I noticed that you always get the same result. It's always like you get the highest coupon, or you get like something for free, or get 70% off, or get 100 points and then you get this. And it almost always never lets you win, which is hilarious. It's such a scam. You have to invite a bunch of people, send people these texts or links to get them to sign up through your link so you can get more points, so you can maybe get a credit or a gift card. It's kind of scammy in that sense, and that's the only thing that has been rubbing me the wrong way, because it's impossible to win. But besides that, you don't have to play that game to order from them and get coupons. So I would say it's become my favorite thing. I cannot let myself go down the rabbit hole because I spend hours on end. It kind of works like a TikTok algorithm where, like, let's say I search for earrings. We'll see that I'm searching for jewelry, and it will recommend me things depending on what I click on and what I add to cart, which is so amazing. Because I guess when I first downloaded the app, they didn't know me, so they were just like recommending me all this crap that I don't want or need. Now I'm like, give me everything you have. And it's so inexpensive, 30 items, and I spend less than $100. So I am thoroughly impressed with this order. I highly recommend if you haven't tried it. Like I said, they have 30% code and then you get like a $20 credit. I don't know, but I'll leave that down below. And so far so good. I'm so thankful that so many of y'all recommended TEMU. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want me to review anything from TEMU, what you're shopping for, anything like that. Like I said, I have 2 more orders coming in the mail, so I'm so excited to review those for you. But don't worry, Amazon videos are still coming and here to stay. I love Amazon. This is not really replacing Amazon for me, but if I can get it for cheaper on TEMU, you better believe. Amazon will always be my convenient first love. As a mom and as someone who just loves quick shipping, Amazon will always be #1, but TEMU is a close second. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.